I've dreamed of roaming far and wide, but my English was something I couldn't hide. Then I found diaspora languages, it was true. It made my dreams come alive.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Diaspora Languages Zaragoza. My name is Emmanuel, and today we're going to explore the present perfect simple tense. If you haven't seen our lesson on the past simple and past continuous, I recommend watching those first. The present perfect is different from the past tenses because it connects the past and the present. Now, let's pause for a second. Connecting the present and past at the same time? What does that mean? This means we use the present perfect simple to talk about actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past but are still relevant in the present. For example, I have lost my car keys. This means the action of losing my keys happened at some point in the past, but the result is still affecting me now because I don't have them. Understood. If you want to know how to use this tense correctly, stick around. The structure of the present perfect simple is subject plus have or has plus verb in the past participle. That is, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, they have, plus the verb in the past participle. Before we go further, let's talk about how to form the past participle verb. It's similar to the past simple because we have regular and irregular verbs. 1. Regular verbs. They are verbs we only add ed, id, or d to the base verb. For example, work changes to worked, study changes to studied, locate changes to located. 2. Irregular verbs. For irregular verbs, they change completely, and you need to memorize them. For example, go changes to gone, see changes to seen, write changes written. To learn more about regular verbs, check out our past simple lesson where we explain them in detail. For irregular verbs, I'll attach a document with a full list for you. To make a sentence negative, we use have not, haven't, or has not, hasn't plus the past participle. For example, I haven't finished my work yet. He hasn't visited his grandmother. To ask a question, we use have or has plus subject plus the past participle and a question mark. For example, have you ever traveled to Spain? Has she finished her project? Have they seen this movie before? Now that we know how to form the present perfect simple, let's look at when to use it. We use the present perfect simple for 3 main reasons. 1. Life experiences, without saying when they happened. For example, I have visited Japan. She has never tried sushi. Have you ever been to London? 2. Actions that started in the past and continue now. For example, they have lived here for 10 years. She has worked at this company since 2015. 3. Past actions with present results. For example, I have lost my keys. I still don't have them. He has broken his arm. His arm is still broken. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes people make with the present perfect. I hear these mistakes all the time, so let's make sure you don't fall into these traps. One big mistake is using the present perfect with a specific time in the past. If you say I have visited Paris in 2018, that's incorrect. Why? Because 2018 is a specific time in the past. The correct way to say it is I visited Paris in 2018 using the past simple instead. Another mistake is using the wrong auxiliary verb. I sometimes hear people say she have finished her homework. That sounds wrong, doesn't it? The correct sentence is she has finished her homework because we use has with he, she, and it. If you avoid these mistakes, your English will sound much more natural. That's it for the present perfect simple tense. Now it's your turn. Write one positive, one negative, and one question using the present perfect simple in the comments. I will check them for you. See you next time at Diaspora Languages Zaragoza. Bye for now.
I've dreamed of romance.